Video here from BC Birdman. Just wanted to give you guys a look at what I'm shooting with today. This is what my intermediate telephoto setup. Well, actually, it's my only setup right now. Besides, you know, a couple portrait lenses. This is my Tamron 70 to 200 constant f2.8. Constant 2.8 macro kind of lens. It's got a 77mm filter thread. I'll show that to you here. Let me show you what that. Right there, that goes. Yeah, 77mm filter thread. Beautiful lens. I love shooting my birds with it. And then I'm using the Nikon D5200. Which is, again, a great camera. You know, falls in the kind of like, they call it advanced beginner, but I think that's a little bit harsh on it. You know, it's a great camera. It's 24.1 megapixels. Shoots video, but I'm not a video guy. It's got the rotating rear LCD screen, 3.2 inch. No, 3 inch, sorry. Wish it had a better viewfinder. It's hard to see through. And yeah, I'd love to get into something with more frames per second, but you shoot with what you can afford. And single card slot, wish they had two. But anyway, that's what I'm using. I'm finding though that the 70 to 200 2.8, even on an APS-C size sensor with the 1.5 times crop on it, even times that to my effective focal length, so 200, you know, times 1.5 is still not enough range. So I'm looking to get into the, I want to get the bigger version, the big brother to this lens, which is the 150-600 Tamron. It's a little pricey, but I'll wait for it to come down in price. But yeah, with that, that's what I'm shooting with here for the last 6 months or so. I'm really enjoying it, and it's great for you know, like I say, intermediate telephoto. So I mean, anything within 30 feet of you, you're getting really good resolution, you know, good image quality. And once you go outside that 30 foot, you know, you're starting to push it. It does not, I find it's not very sharp at the when you shoot wide open. So a 2.8 for birds, no thank you. Stop it down, of course, then your resolution goes way up. And the closer you can bring this thing to your subject, retard the level of resolution. But with that, I'm going to say leave it at that. And yeah, so get out there and shoot. And I'm going to do the same thing and see if I can't salvage today and get some images. All right, BC Birdman out.